Welcome to your orientation guide on all the incredible resources waiting for you at the library. Whether you're a brand new student stepping onto campus for the very first time, or you're logging in right from your couch at home, we are so incredibly excited to help you succeed. I'm going to be your guide today as we explore how the library can make your academic life literally infinitely easier. Okay, let's jump right in. The absolute best place to start your journey is right at our digital front door, www.mccneb.edu/library.
Think of this as your quick, breezy roadmap. For today, we're going to cover your physical MCC library locations, searching the catalog, diving into those premium research databases, utilizing research guides and citing your sources, and finally, how to ask a librarian for help. Let's get started. First up, your MCC library locations. Let's get you physically oriented with where you can actually go to find your nearest campus study spot. We've got some absolutely fantastic spaces across the city to help you plan your visits.
You can find a nice quiet spot at the MCC Elkhorn Valley location, utilize the great resources at MCC South,
Or check out both the really cutting-edge Digital Express or Learning Commons over at the MCC Fort Omaha campus.
Each spot has unique operating hours throughout the week to fit your schedule. So be sure to check the hours online to find the perfect time and place for your next study session.
Now, once you've found your spot, how do you actually check things out? It is super simple to borrow books, DVDs, and other media items. You just need your current Nebraska driver's license, a government photo ID, or your MCC student ID. And honestly, here's my favorite perk. When you're done, you don't have to drive all the way back to the exact same library.
No way. You can conveniently return your borrowed materials to literally any MCC campus or even to any Omaha Public Library location. How great is that? Okay, moving on to our next section, searching the library catalog and navigating those resources from absolutely anywhere.
Right in the center of the library homepage, you're going to see the Discovery tool. This simple search engine is about to be your best friend. Instead of hunting through dozens of different individual sites, the Discovery tool lets you do a huge, broad search across multiple databases and the library catalog to find articles, books, journals, and even streaming videos all at once. It's kind of like having a master key to the entire library right there on your screen. And you don't even need to be on campus to use it. When you're off campus and you want to request an item or access our vast digital collections, it's incredibly simple. Just log in securely using your MCC username and your 4-digit PIN number. It seriously takes just seconds, and it opens up a whole world of information right from your favorite coffee shop.
All right, let's unlock the actual core of college research by diving into research databases, your gateway to scholarly articles. So, you might be wondering, why not just Google my topic? Well, here is an insider tip. Instead of just Googling and hoping for the best, you absolutely want to search our databases. A database is basically an electronic index that contains verified, scholarly abstracts and full-text articles from thousands of published works. We're talking high-quality magazines, peer-reviewed journals, and reputable newspapers. This is exactly the kind of credible, authoritative info your instructors are looking for. Overview, Britannica Academic is stellar. If you're tackling a controversial issue, Opposing Viewpoints gives you all the sides objectively.
And for deep dives into legal or business sources, Nexus Uni is absolutely unmatched.
Think of these as your ultimate toolkit for any assignment.
Oh, and a quick tip for that toolkit. If you ever need to know if we carry a specific magazine or newspaper, say a certain psychology journal, just hit the journal's A to C tab on the library homepage. It gives you a complete, searchable alphabetical list of everything we have, super handy.
Next up, research guides and citing. Knowing how to strategically find and credit your sources is what takes your student projects to the next level. If you ever feel totally stuck on a specific course topic, please don't panic. Our customized research guides are built directly by library staff to give you a massive jumpstart. Whether you're studying business or nursing or literature, these guides provide direct links, tutorials, and specific search strategies tailored for exactly what you're studying.
Now, once you find that info, why is citing sources so important for all your student projects? Well, it does 3 vital things. First, it gives proper credit to the original creators. Second, it adds undeniable strength and authority to your own work. And third, it leaves a really clear trail for your readers to follow. It's basically showing the receipts for your hard work. Finally, as we wrap up this orientation,
Let's look at how to ask a librarian for help, because you are truly never alone in your research here. The ultimate search engine isn't a website or an algorithm, you guys. It's our incredible library staff. Whenever you hit a wall, the Ask a Librarian form on our website is the quickest way to get personalized help. Just submit your question, and an expert will personally guide you to the right sources.
or if you need an answer right this second, you can actually connect with us instantly. Use the live chat feature directly on our website, or simply dial your specific campus library phone numbers during regular operating hours. We are quite literally here to help you succeed, so please never hesitate to reach out. So with all these amazing physical locations, powerful tools like the Discovery tool, top-tier scholarly databases, and a deeply supportive staff right at your fingertips, what incredible ideas will you uncover in your research this quarter?
Get out there, start exploring, and we will see you over at www.mccneb.edu/library.